Welcome to Playground, where ideas come to life and students explore what's possible. Playground was created by the Center for Entrepreneurship with one simple idea in mind: to help students turn their classroom knowledge into real-world action. We noticed that students often come up with promising ideas during their courses, but those ideas often get left behind once the course ends. And that's where we come in. At Playground, we facilitate activities and offer services that help students apply their creativity, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills to real projects. We believe everyone, no matter where they are in their journey, should have the freedom to explore, test, grow, and build something meaningful. And that's exactly what we're here to support. We're all about taking the pressure off of trying, making mistakes, and learning along the way. Whether you're testing out entrepreneurship in a business sense or developing public speaking, problem-solving, leadership, and teamwork skills, we've got a space for you to grow. So, what does all this look like? Located in the Wening-Meines Building C, Utrecht Science Park, over 500 square meters of space awaits you. Rooms where your ideas can grow and flourish. Here's how we can help. We offer events and practical workshops on skills like design thinking, crowdfunding, and branding. No jargon, just hands-on learning you can use right away. We also provide coaching for anyone looking to start a business or work on a non-profit project, helping you figure out your next step, whether you're just starting out or whether you are already moving forward. Further, you'll have access to mentorship from experienced entrepreneurs who can guide you through funding, contracts, and connections, bridging to incubators when it's time to scale. And of course, we have a vibrant community where you can network, share ideas, and collaborate with like-minded students. We know not every idea is fully formed when you start, and that's okay. It's all about building the confidence to take that first step and the next ones, without worrying about being perfect. Playground is here to help you get there. So, if you're a student, join us at our next event, workshop, or coaching session. If you're a teacher, why not book your next active course in one of our spaces? And if you're an external, reach out to explore opportunities to mentor, share expertise, or offer internships. Let's make things happen together, and see you soon at Playground.